my people? I trust you're doing good. This is your friend, the Z Traveler, now leaving Lusaka, right here at Cosmopolitan Mall. Look at where I am. Yeah, so I'm not alone today. I'm going to be traveling with Saint right over there. Right over. How are you doing today, brother?
Good morning. How's it, everybody?
Good. Ready for the trip?
Ready for the trip. Go on the road today.
I know, right? So yeah, so we're traveling from Lusaka all the way to Choma. Though we're gonna be making some stops, you know. We're gonna be cruising. We're not racing. We're just gonna be cruising and enjoying the trip. So whatever we're excited, so whatever point we're excited, we're gonna make a stop. But of course, the fundamental stops that we're gonna make, of course, is gonna be Kafue River, Mazabuka at Coffeeberry. And yeah, from there onwards, we're just going to sample whatever comes our way. And so the idea is just to ride from here to Choma, and then the following day, tomorrow, we're going to ride all the way to Livingstone, and that should be a good trip, guys. So enjoy this video, guys. And if you are a lover of my content and you just want to support me, of course you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have done so, of course you can share the videos. Let's grow together and enjoy the trip, guys. Cheers. Let's go. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Lord. Bless us on this trip. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Be with us as we go. Angels in our front, on our backs, on our sides. The hand of the Lord upon us. Let's go, brother. And woohoo! Here we go, guys. Here we go. Choma, Livingstone ultimately. Here we come. correct. And before long, guess who were in Kafue Town? And so Kafue Town has an interesting history. So Kafue Town is located in Lusaka province of Zambia, to be specific. And it has a rich history dating back to 1905 when it was established as a railway siding. Over the years, it has transformed into an industrial hub, largely due to the vision of the first Republican president of Zambia, Dr. Kenneth Kaunda. The town played a crucial role in Zambia's economic development, with industries creating job opportunities and influencing sectors like education, health, and construction. However, industrialization also brought challenges, including environmental pollution from factories affecting air, land, and water quality. Despite efforts to sustain manufacturing industries, many struggled to remain viable due to various economic factors. Kafue is strategically located along the Kafue River, serving as a gateway to central Zambia. It has a unique geographical setting with a granite hills and flat plains shaping its landscape. The town also has historical significance as it hosted Polish refugees during World War II. As of 2010 census, it is recorded that the population of this area is 219,000 people. Seeing that there's been a passage of time, the number could actually be double. So that's some quick history about this amazing town called Kafue.
Zambia, nomba munewe mwina Zambia, weshitishe chale. Gamono mwani aisa no lupio lwengi. Wiko kola umuseve, we mwine wachale. Mama, mchungwa, uwa Zambia, na tusunge. Chalo chesum, we butekoni, we mwine wachalum. Bantunga washitishe chalo, tukepa ishabantum. Kanshi mune uchenjele, uli ababa mwisa. Abale fwaya, ukona ula.
So before leaving Kafue, we decided to make a stop right at Kafue Bridge at Royal Park Waterfront. So let's check out the place. We're gonna make a brief stop here at Royal Park Waterfront, and let's see how that one goes. It looks like it's still, yeah, it's Royal Park. They are not, most definitely. They're not open. Looks like we may need to, just a minute. So we're at Royal Park here, and just thought, and that's a bridge right over there, guys, right over there. And little kids, oh, interesting. Wanted to spend some time at Royal Park here. I'm definitely guessing we are early. Hello, how are you? That's good. You're drawing water. Okay, that's good. Hi, how are you? Okay, so this is where we are. Boss, what do you say? We're not going. Okay. So this is the Kafue River. It extends all the way that side and it goes all the way that side. And yeah, pretty much. Anyways, looks like our journey continues. At some point, I changed my mind about stopping.
I saw you going, I'm like, maybe he's changed his mind.
Yeah.
Like, at least we can stop by Royal Park. I thought they would be open, we'll have a Coke.
You know
Because
what?
he usually welcomes bikers a lot. And he rides as well.
Oh yeah, I saw he has a. Oh yeah, I saw that. Okay, cool. So this is his collection, eh?
I don't know if it's his.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Would have loved to see him since we are all Matero guys.
Yeah, he's telling me they open at 4.
Oh really?
That's okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Looking at the kind of market, usually people would want to spend their afternoons here and their evenings, actually.
It's along the way, anybody can stop here. Us travelers.
I know, right?
Oh man, I got music pumping, I'm just rocking.
Ooh la la.
Yes, boss. Who's that one?
All right. Although we found Royal Park Waterfront closed, this was a good opportunity for us to make a stop and also stretch our legs. Well, the sight as well of the river was just amazing, and viewing the bridge from the bottom, that was amazing. Well, so this is just about time for us to get back on the main road and see what awaits us. Well, let's go. So continuing on this road is going to Chirundu. So we're going to Livingstone and Kazungula ultimately. So we are branching right here at a place called Kafue Turnpike. I guess I got that one right. So we're making a 10, branching off from this road, and of course getting onto Mazabuka Road, which of course is Livingstone Road. So yeah, right up ahead, we're gonna make a 10. Straight or right? Right. I forgot that you like goat meat. Just made a brief stop to. Just made a brief stop to have some goat meat. Sorry. Wapi auto? Nyoko. Mwita zingati hapo sasa? 10. Okay. Ka 10, eh? I'm just getting for testing, eh? Yeah. Okay, go to sort one. Boss, panomwita napo atupatani pa. Nega-Nega Turnoff. Okay. Shamayoa. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. Moment of truth. Usually, when I use this route, I make a stop here.
Oh.
I make a stop here.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
These are things that like you see what I was saying. Like when you're driving,
Yeah.
you don't even see these spots.
Yeah, I tell you. Okay, let's see. Let's test. So you have got cars here making a stop for this delicacy. Mm. It's not dry, very moist and nice.
Very moist.
Mm. So this place is called Nega-Nega Turnoff. So there's a turnoff to Nega-Nega just right over there in front. So going this way, of course, is continuing going to Livingstone, and where we're coming from, of course, is that way. What a wonderful ride in the mountains. That was a nice ride in the mountains.
That was amazing.
Yeah. Oh.
You Wambuzi? We started off playing Bwana. This is when we are approaching Coffeeberry. We just stopped for a Mbuzi test. He's alright. He's asking how you're doing.
I'm super. Oh, the gentleman we were with us.
No. This one you didn't meet.
Oh,
this
okay.
One is the one who's...
I'm super, man. How are you? Super. Just made a brief stop to enjoy something here.
Say your bike is a 1200. Just do like a 1, 2, 3, you're here. All right, my dear. Daddy boy. Process.
Yeah. Next 10 Coffeeberry. The road is very good this side, I tell you. In fact, this entire stretch from that point, it's very good. Okay. Left or right? Haha. It's right. Let's go. Woohoo. Woo. wanted to say hi to him, but then that's where we're going. I thought you were going straight. Is it any better? Oh, damn, man. Ah, yeah. We definitely need one. So basically, get a cappuccino for me. I'm saying for me a cappuccino. That's the one I'm getting. But if you want some food and stuff like that,
I need proper food.
I need proper food.
I'm starving.
Boss, how are you? You sitting check out?
No,
We're sitting here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can we have something to look at?
And maybe someone will bring it. Okay. Sure.
Can you? Hi, how are you?
How are you? How's the ride?
Good,
It's
good.
all right. Hot.
So we can cook and see.
I don't know where you want. Yeah.
This is good. Yes, yes. Wow. Last time I saw some nests here. Yeah. So we're right here, and I'm trying to see. There's some birds there. Let's see if we can spot a nest. Can we spot a nest? So this is how Coffeeberry looks like, guys. I've got this nice garden here, and you can decide whether you want to sit there or pretty much sit right over there. The shed, but here is pretty much nice. Yeah, they have like those bulbs right over there. So we have already placed an order for food. We're gonna have some toasted bread, um, sandwich and all that. And yeah, guys, pardon my voice. It's been quite a week, and I pretty much have, I pretty much have uh, my voice gone now. Um, but yeah, the journey continues. We and we're just waiting for some food. Yeah, let's get some food. Let's get some food. Let's get some food. Last time I came, there was a nice, colorful bird right in this tree, and it was whistling. I'm trying to see whether I can find one today. Yeah, you see that bird right over there. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we s- you said it right over there. Have you seen this, bro? Sato. That's a Sato, bro. Uh huh.
I'll just connect it on. Because that thing is not. The cable I carried connect to that thing there. It's not working.
Oh, I see.
The carried the fake cable.
Ah.
The phone has literally just said cable not support
Pity.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm about to dive into this. I'm not waiting for you. I
Come on,
apologize
man.
in advance.
Come on, man. So that's a full English breakfast. That looks yummy, eh?
It is.
You have some, is that butter?
This could be butter or
Oh, some toasted bread.
basically square. Yeah.
Yeah. Some, eggs, bacon, some beans there. Oh la, oh la la.
Give me to it.
Enjoy your meal.
Let's go. I need food.
This is
You need to
pretty,
come from.
this is pretty much what I got. Some toasted bread, and of course some chicken. That's basically a sandwich. Some fries there. I'm sipping on some cappuccino right over there. You were saying?
You need to get like I think a whole week.
Yeah.
The week will come and the week will not wake up.
I tell you. And I think it is still